I was just thinking about it and I thought that we actually have so many sources of knowledge that anyone can get confused on giving credibility to one particular source of knowledge, right? So I shortlisted it down to a few which I thought were pretty good, in fact, and should be taken into consideration by anyone who is working. Maybe they are working in corporate culture, that maybe they are developing something, right? But most of the developers would actually know the sources of knowledge I'm talking about, right? uh, the primary source of knowledge are the books that are being published now. Like, yeah, those are like pretty good. But then when it comes to research and development, right, uh, we keep on getting some new publishing and all about a research paper, and those are also not readable for many people, in fact, uh, because of the level of difficulty they offer, right? So the secondary source of knowledge for those research paper is the articles which come on many newspapers and all. So yeah, it is sort of a credible source of knowledge. When it comes to journalism, like pure journalism, then sorry, then I believe that the best source of knowledge would be Twitter, because all the writers and everyone writes there, right? They tweet there, and yeah, it makes it the most valuable source of knowledge because everyone has the capability of writing, and they will eventually, and they'll share their thoughts on it, on anything, right? It is like it uses microblogging, which is pretty strong because not everyone can read whole papers and all, right? So microblogging helps in understanding where you are interested, right? So if you're interested in deep learning, for example, uh, then you'll know by it, because you'll get some particular tweet on Twitter regarding that, due to how good the algorithm is. And then you can read about the article and all more in depth with some link or something they've provided, probably. So, yeah, these are probably the main sources of knowledge. Other than that, I don't think much are relevant in the software developing industry as such, or coding. Like for coding, I have used Liquid Java, that book, uh, W3 schools, right? Those are credible sources of knowledge for learning. So it's different for learning and for understanding what is going on inside the world. So if you want quick connects and all, like what is happening and all, then you should go with Twitter, because Twitter is a microblogging platform, and influencers, all the good influencers copy stuff from Twitter and then talk about it. They legit talk about the same thing. Like they even copy the word sometimes, and then just tell you that in a simpler way. So yeah,